count actually. So then I will declare another variable here. So that is public cart items count is initially 0. This cart items count I will display here. So cart items count will be displayed here. And you can see the cart items count is 0 currently. So we don't have any items. So it says your cart items 0. So there are no items. Okay. Now what should happen is when user clicks on add to cart, so the results must be pushed, means the results, the item should be added. Actually, so this is the collection. This is the collection. We can collect the new item details here. Otherwise, you can do one more work here. Instead of doing that, so as I already told you here, instead of using this loop, we don't need to use this loop because search result is actually an array. So what we have to do is here, just we need to remove this loop. We are not adding that loop. Just bring the data from search result and display. That means here it should be like this dot search result of 0 dot name. We are accessing the name. Similarly here also this dot search result of 0 dot price and this dot search result of 0 dot val dot photo. Actually the result of filter command, we learned already filter. The result of filter command is an array. So into the array you are storing that record. That record is at index 0. At index 0 we are pulling the name, price and photo and assigning it. That is the simple approach we are configuring here. That means I select here the category and category related products, the data will come here. So that is simple. You don't need any looping statements, you can configure them. Now what should happen here is when user clicks add to cart button. So let's write a logic for that. So we are writing here, we are writing a logic public add to cart click. Add to cart click, what should happen is the product you have searched, that product should be added into cart items array. It should be added into cart items array. That means how you can add a new item. The current searched product, that means the current product that you are watching, it should be added into cart items array. Anything you can add into array by using that cart items array dot push method, by using push method. Already we learned about array methods. Push, which one should be pushed? This dot search result of 0, that means the searched record should be pushed. The current searched record must be pushed. After that I need to update the count. This dot cart items count is equal to the latest count. That means this dot cart items dot length, that means the latest count will be updated. So we can just show a pop-up here, alert, saying that so item added to cart. So this is the message to display. I will save this. And once refresh here, you can see now. So I will choose a category. I will choose a product, some shirt, and I click on add to cart button. Then it should show an alert. So add to cart, we have to call this function. Go to HTML. So we have add to cart button. So this is add to cart button, add to cart button. On button click, we have to call that function. On click, we are calling the function, that is add to cart click. Okay. Now what add to cart should do is, here we are accessing it. Okay. Select and click on add to cart. Then it shows an alert, item added to cart. And okay, and you can see here right side, your cart items, you have one. And I click another product. Suppose I am selecting another product here. So, and click on add to cart, and this item also added to cart. Okay, then you have two cart items here. We are updating the cart items here. Okay. Now, when I click on this cart items, that summary should come here. Means what are the items in my cart? I should get those here. So we are able to get this. Now we need to click on click. I need to get the table and display the table. So the cart items must be displayed in the middle. Then we will do one thing. So already cart items array. I want to display that cart items array contents in this middle column here. So here I will keep a header, means I will keep a div. And inside the div, I will keep an header. So, and here I will define your cart summary, your cart summary. And in this, I'm adding a table. And here we need to display class as table and table hover, okay, and t-head and tr and th. This is name. And another one is price. Another one is some preview. And another one is actions, like this, something. Now I need to generate the table body, and here row. This should repeat. So ng for let item of collection. Collection is the cart items. Here I want to display the cart items. And in the cart items, so we have first cell. I want to display the name, item.name. Okay. In the second cell, I want to display item.price. In the third cell, I want to display, here I need to display image. So let's keep an image. IMG, so SRC, and I'm keeping the image item.photo, and width is 50 and height is 50. Just a small preview here. Width and height 50 and 50, like this. This is the table body, and we are displaying. And in the last cell, so in the last cell, I am defining a simple button. I will keep a button, and class as BTN and BTN outline danger. Okay. And here in the button, I will keep a span, and the span will have FA, class as FA, and FA trash. We are using trash.